Oi, why you never like? Walao eh.
Hey yo, kawan-kawan! So we are back to our channel, Oleo Studios, and today we'll be talking about
Fusion Lens!
Fusion Lens 2.0. Okay, so in our videos, right, we actually take a lot of like vlogging. We always go out. Then some of the times, right, we don't carry our camera around, you know. So what we do is we always use my iPhone XS Max. So it's always a problem and hassle. Why? Because when we do vlogging, right, we cannot see.
We can't see the surroundings of our place lah, because you know the iPhone right only captures this much. We can't show more of where
Yes.
we're at, what we are doing.
Usually when I use my iPhone, I do my vlogging, I talk in front of the camera, right? I can see my whole face in the video and my face is blocking the background already.
Face is big already.
Face, my head big. We found this Fusion Lens on Facebook, so I think a lot of people that is actually searching for lens will definitely see their ads, which is Fusion Lens 2.0. So this is the latest version of, I think we call it anamorphic.
Anamorphic 360 lens. This Fusion Lens is only available for iPhone, from iPhone 7 to iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Yes.
So this lens is apparently the first 360-degree lens that's available in the market, and it's smart lens. Smart lens meaning that it has apps.
You can shoot cinematic, fisheye, wide angle.
You can shoot a 360 picture, but not video though. They don't do like 360 video.
Actually, practically you don't need to shoot 360 video lah. Not many people will watch
No,
also lah.
nobody.
Though this smart lens is only available for iPhone. Sorry Android users. So it's okay lah, because iPhone quality camera is definitely better than any Android phone out there. Right out of the box, we have the lens and the casing, which we actually bought it separately. And apart from that, let's take a look at the lens first. So this lens actually comes with a manual that includes a QR code for their app. So you will need to actually scan the QR code to download their app, or you can actually download it directly from App Store.
They have two different apps, which are the Fusion Lens camera and the Fusion Lens 360 camera. Then we have the front and back lens.
The smart mount is actually extendable for the bigger iPhones like the iPhone XS Max, iPhone 11 Pro, and also it can retract for iPhone 10, iPhone 11, which is the normal one. The inner adapter is actually for your phone without the casing, so if your iPhone is naked, just click this in and there you go. The lens are really easy to assemble, so what you need to do is just twist it clockwise, and once you hear a click, and you are good to go. And lastly, we have the pouch and the cloth. The pouch is not so safe, so therefore we bought another hard casing for this lens to protect your lens from dropping or breaking it. It's a hard built case, which it protects your lens and has a compartment to keep all your lens cloth and your inner adapter, so that it's very easy to carry. Oh, and one more thing. The case is so hard that you don't have to worry about dropping or even throwing it at your friends that you don't like. So if you don't like this friend, you just take this, whack out him only. And you can just put this in and just... All you need to do is just install this lens properly on the top right of your phone, open the app, and boom! You can start using it already. So they have 3 different modes which you can actually select, where you can shoot your boomerang for your Instagram, photos, and also videos. You can also choose which angle that you want to select, which is 180 degree fisheye, 210 degree fisheye, 23 to 9 cinematic, 16 to 9 cinematic, 9 to 16 cinematic, 8mm wide angle, and lastly the 12mm wide angle. The price, which includes the shipping, the hard case, and the Fusion lens, all together sum up is $91.60 US. So it's quite okay lah. If you convert it to Malaysia, it's around like 400 ringgit.
Almost
400 ringgit lah. Now we're gonna talk about the like and dislike about this Fusion Lens 2.0. What we didn't like the most about this Fusion Lens 2.0 is that it loses your picture and your video quality when you shoot in super wide angle.
In the middle, it's okay, but then it's like on the edges, right? It gets even more blurrier, you know. Not only blurry, but it also shows like colors, you know, like all those bleach colors, blue, green a bit. Okay, so the other thing that we don't like about this is that if you shoot with this lens outdoor, it may get too overexposed. That time we were shooting in a factory.
We were under the sun.
We were under the sun, but it's like overexposed, you know. You can see his face, you can see like white patches on his
white
face.
patches, yes.
Yeah, so it doesn't do that well outdoors. If it's too dark, the picture quality goes down. It becomes noisier as well.
Apart from that, we can unlock our phone when your Fusion Lens 2.0 is attached on the top right part of your phone. Because why? It actually blocks out your face recognition and you can't slide down your top right button. For all the iPhone users out there, definitely will know. And lastly, I feel the stabilizing part, Fusion Lens 2.0 is actually doing quite okay. I mean, they understand that the market needs the stabilization. It's an extra function in the app. Your video won't be that shaky, but it's not perfect yet. I would say I think it's still on beta mode lah, because your visions and your videos get slowed down and it's actually very laggy, I would say.
It kind of feels like they use the warp effect, so it's like when you pan it up really fast, it catches up really slow.
I think this can be improved from Fusion Lens 2.0 in terms of their software. Okay, enough with the bad things. Let's talk about the things that we like about this Fusion Lens 2.0. Number one, it's really easy to carry and it's plug and play, and lastly, it's easy to use. For people like me that likes to do a lot of vlogging outdoors, right, it will be actually very good. Why? All you need to do is just take out your lens, plug it in, there you go. You get all your wide angle that you need and you can shoot anything, anywhere.
You don't have to be a pro to use this lens because it's so easy. Everything is for you already. You just need to choose which mode you want. You don't have to think about which settings you want to open. Just shoot.
Apart from that, you can actually use this lens to shoot like a selfie with your family, a Wi-Fi, a party fee or something like that, where you don't even need a selfie stick anymore. All you need to do is just plug this in, set it into 16:9 cinematic, cha, you can capture everything.
Yeah, that's an exaggeration. It's not everything, but
Almost.
it's wide enough. Throughout using it for like about 2 months?
I think almost near to 2 months.
Yeah, about 2 months, we feel that it's actually it's a really okay lens. It did its job.
It did its job, yes.
Like despite the losing of quality, I think the most important thing is that you're able to capture the happenings around
Yes.
that you're shooting, you know. So it's like, despite the quality loss, I think it serves its purpose lah.
When we were shooting, and I was doing a vlog, I don't see my face that big anymore. And apart from that, you can capture everything behind me, you know. So we set up a camera there to actually capture some time-lapse shot. It came out pretty well, but you don't zoom in lah because it's losing the megapixel out there. The most important thing is that you need to capture what people want to see or what you want to show to people.
Despite that, I think it's also a trend now to have like a wide picture, you know.
Yeah,
it's like,
so
you don't see
look
iPhone
so fat.
11.
You look so fat in the
I mean,
video
not fat
also.
already, so.
If you guys are on budget, right, we would recommend you guys to just get this lens lah, or you guys are using any iPhone model starting from 7 to 11. 7-11. Oh, 7 to 11.
If you guys are on a tight budget and you guys want to spend like another like 3 to 5K
3 to 5K to buy just another camera lens for wide angle.
No, to buy a phone like iPhone 11.
You want people to shoot with iPhone, man?
No lah, like iPhone 11 got their own wide lens already ma. Like
Oh,
this
true. Throw away your selfie stick, buy this, more than enough. But if you guys really want to shoot wide angle, then you guys really want to do a proper vlog for your YouTube videos, your Facebook videos, right? We would definitely recommend you guys to actually get vlogging camera rather than just spending it another 300-400 ringgit to get this Fusion lens lah.
So those are our opinions about this Fusion lens. I hope you can get something from this video, whether you want to buy it or not, or if you're already having it, what do you think? If you guys have any tips on how to use this Fusion lens better than we did, please tell us because we're noobs. Okay, that's all for today. See you guys next time. Bye! I just said